Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about DHgate shopping app. And in this video, I'll show you on how to add your phone number or how you can link your phone number for account security on DHgate shopping app. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your DHgate shopping app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Click on setting icon. Proceed to personalize. Click on add mobile number. Go ahead and enter your mobile number right here. Go ahead and hit on continue. Successfully added without any stress. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your DHgate shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.